Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 47 of the 100 days challenge of building yourself as a brand, and I want to say one thing here is that I think I have come a very long way in this journey, in this challenge. So whatever I did not even expect came like real in this challenge, and there are a lot of things that still are there that has to happen, but okay, we are gonna give it time. So as a person, I have become a lot productive, a lot healthier, and I'll say kind of a little disciplined as well. I'm still struggling with it, but yeah, okay, just fine. So let's start with today's day. So today I woke up at 4 o'clock, not exact at 4. So I off the alarms, and without knowing I went to sleep, and then suddenly I woke up thinking that is it did I just fall asleep and did I got late. Then I saw the time, it was 4:09. I was like, thank God, otherwise the second day itself would go wrong. So then quickly I woke up, then did my bed and went, had my hot water, 2 glasses of hot water, then soaked the pancake seeds and the cumin seeds, and then I went to my room and prayed and changed to my workout clothes. And then I realized that there is no current, so the power over on the street lights and all this was not there. It was very dark outside, so I dropped the plan of going to the terrace, because if the street lights are not on, then it is very very dark outside, and that is quite scary. So I didn't go to terrace to work out today. Instead I work out in my room, and yeah, it was not that fun because I didn't had any view to see, like the sunrise or the stars will be before at 4:40 and all, and at 5:30 around the sunrise will come. So yeah, but still it was fine. So I did my workout, I did my meditation, sang bhajans, and did my breathing and eye exercises. After that I washed my face and I drank water. After that I journaled, and also I scripted some positive affirmations today. Then I looked into my vision board as well, which gave me so much of inspiration and motivation to what I want. That is like a refreshment that happened. After doing that, I went and watered my plants, and also read a book for I think around 10-12 minutes. Yeah, I read a book for that. And after that I went and took bath. So electricity was not there, and I didn't had any other choice than to bath with the cold water. So it was not that cold how it will be in winters or rainy season. It was okay, tolerable. So I thought, okay, I'll not wait for the current to come, and I'll just take a bath in this water. So it was fine, not that scary. The first mug, of course, it will be quite difficult to take, but I took it, and I actually felt quite refreshed by taking that. And it was also so quick. Like normally when I bath in warm water, it takes me quite longer time to bath than compared to what happened today. So today more I took, I think, half of the estimated time of taking the bath, and that was surprising. So I have to do that more. Actually, it's like proven scientifically something that bathing in cold water is good. It refreshes you and makes you more energetic, focus, and all those things. And I had tried this thing before in when I was doing all these routines and all, and quite some time I did that. But then when like winters and rainy season times, the water will be very cold, so at that time it's very difficult to bath in that water. So at that time I used to drop it. So now also I'm not even planning to start on it, because I know as the seasons will change, I'm also gonna change my idea on that thing. So for right now we'll let it be there only. After taking my bath, I came and I did my skincare. I did the prayer and had one cucumber and one banana. So that is not my breakfast, it's just something to have healthy first thing in the morning, and that also helps to cut down on the actual meal. Okay, so instead of having maybe like 3 chapatis, you will have like 2 because of this. And it is something healthy also, so whatever you eat in the first thing gives you like the best out of what you're eating. So eating like drinking tea or coffee in the morning, you know what will happen. So that's why I have included this thing to eat something healthy first thing in the morning, and then get to my actual breakfast and all that. So I had that, and with that I also took my classes, my Kannada and Korean classes. Korean classes is quite messing me up. I don't know, I might drop it down. It's quite difficult to understand the letters itself. So let's see. After that, I practiced dances for today's video shoot, and after doing that, I went and had my breakfast. Then I came back. I uploaded on my Facebook page. Then also on my customization of the clothes. So we are uploading that as well. Of course, I'll link that in the description box for you all. So I customized a new oversized t-shirt today, and it was very cool. I loved it actually. So I'm even thinking to order some for myself as well. So let's see. After doing that, I did shoot a video. I had planned actually of shooting YouTube video and a reel, but the reel itself took a quite a lot time. So I did the reel and then I did another reel. So while doing the another reel, I got into another reel as well. So my time crossed. Actually at 12:30 I had to go and cook food for me, but I was dressed already and I had not finished my work. So I decided that like anyways I had pre-cooked something for me yesterday, so I thought I'm gonna take that only and eat. So I let that time take for me and completed the shooting. After the shooting, I went and took those things out to do whatever I had to cook. I heated that and I had my lunch. Then after having my lunch, I had to upload today 2 videos. One was the reel and one was the YouTube shorts. So both was unedited, of course. So I set for editing. So the timing was actually, my routine was for beading and painting today in the afternoon, but that didn't happen because I had to edit and upload, right? So I did the editing. I edited both the videos and uploaded them, so it was quite fine. Then by 6, it was already 6 o'clock. Then I went and had my dinner. I get confused between the words. So as I had lunch quite early today, so I didn't feel hungry, but with that stomach is fine to eat the meal. So at 6 o'clock I went and I prepared the dinner, and headed. After having that, I came and I set for doing a little some work. After that, I did my skincare, the long skincare routine, the night skincare routine, I can say. So yesterday was the first day actually I tried it, and it quite took a long time. So I had actually set like 1 hour for this thing, like for the skincare, but it took more than that because letting the mask stay for 15-20 minutes and all those things, it takes actually time. So that happened. After doing my skincare routine, I got with all my sleeping things to do, and then I of course recorded this video, and then I went to sleep. So I actually slept, okay, I'll sleep and then wake up in middle, but it's fine. I'm like fresh. So yeah, that was my day 47, how it came to an end, and it was fine. It was fine. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.